Notice anything different? Hey fam, welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl SHAREEN NICOLE and I am back with another video. This video is about me getting my first Wave Nouveau. So I'm super excited to talk about it because I was so nervous and so scared, but it's not too bad. I do have a video on it. Do not mind my messy room. My room is always a mess. It's always looking like this. I really got to do something about it. But I am just like, oh my God, I did it. I finally did it. So the part for me that got me was having to trim my hair. You guys know my hair was pretty long and I did have blonde ends. So all my blonde is gone and I'm left with this. So this is new for me. This is definitely new for me. So if you don't know what a Wave Nouveau is, it's a perm. It's a curly perm. It's a Gina Curl. It's a S curl. It's a perm. So a perm is when you chemically rearrange your hair into the curl pattern that you want. And this, for me, is definitely the curl pattern that I wanted. Like, I have so much body, so much bounce. But if you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. So yes, this is what it's called, Wave Nouveau. It's soft sheen Carson. Don't know if you guys can see that. I don't know. I got this amazing glare going on here. But anyways, this is Wave Nouveau. So what I picked up at the salon was the moisturizing finishing mist. So, you know, it stays wet or whatever. I also picked up from the salon the moisturizing finishing lotion. So these are like two staple things that you're going to have to use in order to maintain your Wave Nouveau, aka curly perm. Yeah. So that's just something you're gonna have to put in because, like the lady said, you know, when you wash your hair, it gets dry and you don't want breakage and stuff like that, especially you just did all this chemical rearranging of your hair curls and your pattern and whatever. So you want to keep it nice and moist, moisturize. But yes, this is my first curly perm, my first Wave Nouveau. Now it does have a little bit of a smell, but it's not too bad, you know what I mean? But it is amazing. Like, look at this. You see this? Look at my hair. Oh my God. It is a whole new texture. Like, I absolutely love it. I think the haircut is growing on me. It's just a little weird. Like, my hair was all one length pretty much, except for the front, where I had it like face framed a little bit. So now it's just face framed a little bit shorter. And I think it's just something that I have to get used to. But definitely check out the video on my experience getting the Wave Nouveau. It's a process. It's definitely a process. And I want to say all in all, it only took around, I want to say it took around 3 hours. The only reason why it took 3 hours and not 2 hours is because she had clients in between. So she was doing my hair and then swapped out, did a couple of haircuts, came back, you know, only for the parts that you can let sit. Because there's some times where you got to sit under the dryer or just sit with the solution in. And that's pretty much what she did. So while I was sitting, it makes no sense to just do nothing. So she took the other clients that she had and then she came back to me and we finished up. So that is the only reason why it took that long. But I love it. I really do. Now my hair is just brown, no blonde. So she did tell me to stay away from the blonde. She did say I could color my hair in about a couple of weeks. So maybe like, I would give it like a month or maybe 6 weeks. So add an extra 2 weeks onto that 4 weeks. And yeah, that's what I would say, because you want to make sure you keep your curl pattern. You don't want it to go away with adding more chemicals. So she said I could stick with the brown. So I might just stick with the brown, or I'll probably let a little bit more black grow out and then I'll put more brown in or something. But I want you guys to let me know. Let me know in the comments down below what you think of my curly perm, my Wave Nouveau. Let me turn around and see if I can show you guys the back. Can you see that? Look at that. Like, my hair don't move, okay? It's like that. It's like Oh my God. It's just, it don't move. It don't move. It's like that glue. It's like Gorilla Glue. It's like my hair, it don't move. Like legit, when I woke up in the morning, I swear to you, I should have taken a picture because I was looking like Don King, okay? When I woke up, my hair was like this, and it was just standing on top of his head, and it was blonde and brown and black. And it was a hot mess. So I just had enough. I had enough of dealing with that curl pattern, like having to rake through my hair every morning to like get it to do what I needed to do. It wasn't working. So I want to see how this works and see how this rocks out. I love you guys. And I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget, subscribe, comment down below, and let a chica know what you're thinking of her Wave Nouveau. Okay, and I will see you in my next video. Peace.